Hey guys, good evening and welcome back again to your Unacademy Neet English channel. I hope all of you are doing great, having a good time. I hope your preparation is going up to the mark, doing well. Now, my dear students, since you know there are almost like 75 to 80 days left for your NEET 2025 examination, what has to be the proper timetable, which is to be followed, which must be followed for the upcoming 75 to 85 days so as to improvise your scores when it comes to your NEET 2025 examination. My dear students, I'm going to give you one amazing timetable in the today's session, but I would request everyone, if you are really serious about your preparation, if you really want to cross 650 plus marks, then definitely you are supposed to follow the timetable which I'm going to give you in the today's session. So please and please watch this session till the end, and the session is going to be very short and precise. Now, my dear students, first of all, since we have got almost 75 to 80 days left till the NEET examination, my dear students, I have seen students preparing for complete 1 year, preparing for complete 2 years, then at the end for the last 2-3 months getting deviated from their track, and eventually they do not qualify the NEET examination or even the JEE examination. So these last 2 months, last 2.5 months, they are going to play a vital role in your preparation. If you can remain on track for these last 2.5 months, I'm telling you, you are definitely going to boost up your score a lot. For example, if you are scoring 550 right now in your mock tests, my dear students, by following the proper track, by following the proper timetable in the last 2.5 months, by remaining disciplined in the last 2.5 months, you can easily jump from 550 to 680 for sure in just 2.5 months for sure. But for that, what exactly you need to do? My dear students, 13 to 15 hours of study every single day is needed. It should not be like you'll be studying for 13 hours for 2 consecutive days, take a break for 2 days, after that again you'll start. No, you're not supposed to do that. Every single day, 13 to 15 hours, study is must. You're supposed to do that. Now, what exactly you have to do in these 13 to 15 hours? My dear students, some part of this particular time will go for syllabus completion, some part of the time will go for instant revision, some part of your time will go for the problem practice, and some part of your time will go for the mock test. So you have to balance these 13 to 15 hours every single day. Okay. Now, how exactly you guys are going to balance it? What exactly you are supposed to do when it comes to balancing these 13 to 15 hours? Let me show you one by one. First of all, this is the high time to prioritize the high weightage chapters first. So, first of all, make a list of the chapters of your physics, chemistry, and biology and see exactly what are the high weightage chapters of physics, of chemistry, of biology, and try to cover them on priority. If you are covering them for the first time, go for it. If you want to do the revision of them, go for it. Okay? It completely depends upon you, whether you have studied those chapters before or not. If you have studied those chapters, then do their revision first. If you have not studied those chapters, study them on priority. Okay, so prioritize high weightage chapters right now, because after completing these high weightage chapters, my dear students, you will automatically develop that confidence in you. Yes, you are improvising day on day. Okay, now what exactly you have to do? My dear students, every single day I have broken down into 3 slots. Like you have slot number 1. Slot number 1. Slot number 1 is for physics, for example. Okay. What exactly am I supposed to do? My dear students, I'm expecting you guys to start your journey from 6 a.m. in the morning. 6 a.m. till 9 a.m., you'll be completing your high weightage chapters of your physics. Like you have got electrostatics, you have got modern physics, right? These are your high weightage chapters. You know it already. Perfect. So start with them. Why I have kept morning slot for physics? Because, my dear students, for physics, you need a lot of focus. You need complete fresh mind, and morning slot, I believe, is perfect for physics, not for your chemistry and biology. Chemistry, biology is comparatively easy. You know it. So that can be done in the later part of the day as well. So start with your physics, and 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. should be particularly dedicated for the high weightage chapters like electrostatics. Okay. And if you are going to study them for the first time, then please follow Game of Neet 2.0 series. Game of Neet 2.0, That is the detailed one shots which we have on this particular channel, right? Perfect. Now, my dear students, if you have completed the high weightage chapters once, then go for the revision, right? Go for the revision. So 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. has to be for your physics high weightage chapters. Perfect. One thing which I would want you guys to do right now, when you'll be completing these high weightage chapters, try to make their short notes now. When you'll be watching the lecture, or when you'll be checking your notebook, when you'll be doing the revision of the chapter from the notebook, try to make the short notes again. Try to make the formula sheets on your own. Because more the short notes, more the formula sheets you guys are going to create on your own, better is going to be your score. Trust me on that. Because it is going to save a lot of time, right, when it comes to the last instant revisions. Okay? So try to make short notes as well as the formula sheets while watching the lecture, while completing these high weightage chapters. For sure, guys. For sure. This is going to help out a lot. Now, since you'll be stopping at 9, let's say from 9 to 9:30, you are going to have your breakfast. Again, from 9:30 to 11:30, you guys are going to have the question practice. Question practice of the same topics which you have covered in the morning slot. Okay? And this question practice should be done from your modules, whatever modules you have, the PYQs of your Neet as well as JEE Mains. Similarly, your NCERT questions. Perfect. This slot is for the question practice, 9:30 to 11:30. That means 2 hours you are giving particularly for the question practice. This particular slot you are giving to cover your syllabus, and this particular slot you are giving for the question practice of the same topics which you have covered here. And after this, my dear students, when you stop at 11:30, then take a 15-minute nap, right? Then again start from 11:45 to 12:30. This has to be for the instant revision. So whatever things you have covered from 6 till 11:30, you will have to do its instant revision. That's why I told you to make the short notes and formula sheets along, so that it will be good when it comes to the instant revision. Okay? Perfect. This was my slot number 1. That's for physics. Similarly, my dear students, you can have the slot number 2, and it can be for chemistry. Chemistry, 1:30 to 4:30, right? It has to be for the high weightage chapters like GOC, bonding, thermodynamics, etc. Right? Short notes, again, you are going to make on your own right now. Do not rely on some other PDFs or something. Formula sheets you guys are going to do. And my dear students, NCERT reading is must in chemistry. NCERT reading is must in chemistry. Perfect. So your high weightage chapters are to be covered in this particular slot. Then again from 5 p.m. to 6:30. Again from 5 p.m. to 6:30. I'm giving you half an hour break also. 4:30 you're stopping. 4:30 to 5 there's a break. Then 5 p.m. to 6:30 you'll be doing the question practice of the same chapters which you have covered in this particular slot. Right? Question practice has to be again done from modules, PYQs, NCERT, in text as well as exercise. Right? And then 15 minutes break again. So 6:45 to 7:30 it's going to be your instant revision of the same things which you have covered in this particular slot. And my dear students, same thing you have to follow for biology as well. And biology, you are giving time from 8:30 to 12. Right? This has to be the third slot of the day, right? And in this particular slot, you'll be covering your biology. Now, my dear students, what exactly you'll be doing? Let's say this was your day 1 plan. Let's say this was your day 1 plan. Now, when it comes to day 2 plan, in day 2 plan, slot 1 has to be dedicated for physics only. Slot 2 and 3 you can interchange. Slot 2 you can give to biology, slot 3 you can give to chemistry. Right? So it should keep on interchanging. But morning slot, I would highly recommend all of you to have for physics only. Because physics needs a lot of focus. It needs complete fresh mind. Right? You should be completely dedicated. So that's why morning slot we have kept for physics. And my dear students, trust me. For example, right now at this particular point of time, if you are scoring, let's say 300 in your mock test, if you are following this timetable for 1 month, see after 1 month, from 250, you will raise your marks to 450 for sure. If you are right now at 500, okay, from 500 to 650, again this is going to help. If you are right now at 600, from 600 to 700 plus to 690 plus, this timetable is definitely going to help. So please and please follow this particular timetable on priority, on strict basis, because this is going to help you out. My dear students, one thing, if you are going to study for 13 to 15 hours every single day from now onwards, then only you can think, then only you can imagine of your dream college. Then only you can imagine of you being the doctors. Okay? And if you are again wasting your time nowadays, right? Again, like wasting a lot of time in social media, doing this, doing that, right? Please and please avoid that at this particular point of time, because this is the final lap, my dear students. And if you are willing to dedicate this final lap to your NEET 2025 examination by studying 13 to 15 hours a day, nobody is going to stop you in order to crack the NEET 2025 examination. Perfect. So I hope you guys are going to follow this particular timetable on priority basis. Take care. God bless you all, and you all guys.